Ashley.
Welcome to the Manson Chat. Well, today we're going to do the drink challenge, and we're going to see who will not burp first.
First take, boy.
Are we just going up?
No,
Loose up.
No, you just do it.
Righto.
Oh, yeah.
Cheers.
How's that vanilla? Tastes like Coke.
All this shit almost just fucking burnt.
look at me.
Oh,
Oh, Ashby,
oh, it's a fucking hurt in my guts.
take all your finger.
It's gonna be a big piece, man.
You can't keep going.
Oh, shit.
Well, I'm already out because I burp.
Take.
Yeah, take this out.
Holy jumping.
You're doing it.
Keep drinking. So it's between Brisbane and Jack.
Go on, boy.
I'm just gonna try to keep breathing in, that's the strat. Boom. Ooh, I'm feeling it coming up. Fuck. Fuck, this is hard.
Is that all you're drunk, Ashley?
Only because I had to fucking drop it on the table.
Nick, Nick.
What is it not? Ooh, just let it wrap.
I'm nearly done. Oh, it's fucking there. It's either a spill or a burp. Like I haven't accidentally eaten any bananas.
Ooh.
That's fucking hard. I hate the bloated feeling.
Vanilla cake, mate. Easy with
It doesn't even taste like fucking vanilla. It just tastes like Coke.
You got the tickets, Tyler? Oh shit, my gut
Yeah,
still
hold
feels
on.
rumbly.
Oh.
Just let it wrap.
Don't try, boy. Don't. It's real intense, eh? That's fucking. I just feel like shit now. I just feel broke.
You can.
Pipe down.
Wouldn't it be harder to try to skull the whole thing? I mean,
I thought it was meant to be meant to skull the whole thing.
Yeah, I think yeah, I mean to
You're
skull.
meant to skull it.
Yeah, but the challenge is you can't burp before you finish it though. So if you finish it and then burp, you technically won't. Just check.
Oh, that'll do it.
Oh.
Go. Keep going, Jack. We've only got a little bit left.
doesn't fucking.
You're...
Oh, that one did not feel good. That's
There you go. You go.
probably enough I can do this.
Is that the last one, or is that?
No.
Oh.
Still got a fair bit to come in. Still got Kippen Farms and Cullen Farms.
Kippen Farms.
That is.
No, I can't. I don't know. I don't
Just let it out, boy.
Oh, shut the fuck up. Oh, my whole body's aching.
You want to put your belly there. You just burped.
No, I didn't.
Oh.
No, Tyler did.
Oh,
There we go.
I feel like complete shit. Don't
yeah, he wins.
Yeah.
How much
So-
you got left? Just so it's.
Yeah, I've got quite a bit. Brooklyn wins.
Right.
Is
You lost.
Jack Barrett. And that's the mention chat.
Cheers, watching.